So some good news and some not so good. So good news is we finally got a date for the adoption. The adoption will be on December 11th of this year. So yay! So excited! We're finally having adoption day. So that is so finally here. So we are very excited about that. However, bad thing. 3 of my children don't know what the bathroom is for and have this bad habit of using the sink upstairs to play with their toys and drop and put things down it in the sink. So Celeste has put things down the drain, and Hachimos is one of them, and Lizzie has like put other toys and other things down the drain too. And Tabata loves painting, but it's too lazy to go down to the utility sink to clean the paint. And so she uses the sink upstairs to clean the brushes and the paint. So between my 3 children, okay, the sink upstairs keeps getting clogged. Well, fun times. It's finally officially so clogged that Daniel is having a really hard time getting it unclogged. Well, fast forward to 3 years, and since we've been in this home, and now Lizzie is not very good about closing the sink, the faucet, and she always leaves it open just a little tad. And I told her this weekend to please make sure she didn't use it. And this morning, I reminded her not to use the sink because the drain wasn't draining. Well, she used it anyways, and she didn't close it again. So, well, let me show you.
That happened.
It literally, all day long, water seeped because it didn't drain, so it went down the ceiling all day and it collapsed. So now we have the tiles are separating. Well, eventually we wanted to take this down. So that's the original roof or glass ceiling, and that is plaster just like the other ones that they put this other type of material on it. So we wanted to take it off anyways, but we really didn't want to do that right away. Well, I guess it's gonna have to happen now, but I'll show you the sink in a minute. So here's the sink, and there's the water. So because it was, and you can see there's paint, because she must have cleaned it with paint again this weekend after she's been told not to. And the water went through here, which damaged this more. And then it seeped down through the wall, down this way, and it went straight down. And that's where you see. So, yep. Fun times. Fun times. On the upside, I'll show you how beautiful the painting came out. It's very pretty. However, help clogged the sink. Yep. Be sad. 1 out of 3 children who clogged the sink.
No.
Yeah. Painting does not go in the sink in the bathroom. But it is a pretty painting. It's beautiful. She did a good job. And she did it by hand. And there's, you can't see it as well. The one that she's drawing. Right there is a drawing. Do I hear a little birdie? There's a little birdie. Hi. Hello. Uh-oh. He's gonna ruin your clothes.
That's not mine, it's Papa's.
She steals clothes too, by the way. Who's a pretty bird? Hello, Tyler. Can you say hello?
He only does it when he wants to.
I know. Look at that. Can you say, look at that? No? You're not gonna show off? Just gonna ruin the clothes?
He's shy.
Yeah. This is the youngest child who ruined the sink. Mm-hmm.
Hatchimal stuck in it.
Yes, I know Celeste got a Hatchimal stuck in the sink. But she left the water on. And where is my Celeste who also clogged my sinks? Clogged sink. My third child who clogged the sink. Yep. Mm-hmm. There she is.